UFO enthusiasts are losing their minds over this recent footage of a SpaceX rocket going boom. What we are about to show you is going to rock you to your very foundation. This footage that you are watching now has been slowed down to 12,000 frames per second. You'll notice the quality of the replay is far better, far smoother than anything you've seen up until now. And it's at this speed that we're going to blow your mind. We're just going to let this play out so that you can see the dynamics of the explosion for yourselves. And while this is quite remarkable, it isn't the shock and awe that we're about to show you. Fasten your seatbelts, Dorothy. Here's the replay of the first few seconds of the explosion. Did you see it? Let's zoom in and try again. Even at this speed, it's difficult to see what triggers the explosion. Let's slow it down even more, and we'll focus on just a couple of frames. Do you see anything strange? The entire structure bends and vanishes into another dimension. Write your congressman today. What you're seeing here is like straight out of an episode of Fringe. And it's not until you slow this down to this speed and hit pause can you possibly see the incident clearly as it defies the laws of physics. And it gets even worse in the negative spectrum. Are you ready? Check this out. What is that? We're not sure what kind of payload was in this rocket, but clearly this was no communications satellite. Clearly, this was no communications satellite. Either that or the weapon that hit this rocket is not of this world. In any case, you can clearly see that whatever happened here is bigger than they're letting on. If you're listening to this, you are the resistance.